Hiya, we're in Victoria Park in Moorsaloon on the lookout for squirrels. You can hear the birds. And these are the monkey nuts that Sonia gave us for these squirrels. Hopefully we'll see some. It's nice to listen to the birds. And there's a wood pigeon I can hear behind me somewhere. We haven't seen any squirrels yet, but plenty of dogs. I always forget about this tree. Snowdrops. Quite a few of them actually. And the yellow, not sure what they are actually. So if there's no squirrels, at least you'll see the flowers, the snowdrops. It's a squirrel. I think I've pressed record just in time. It'll come back out in a minute. Yeah, oh no. I can still see it under the bush there.
Yeah. There's birds as well there, you see.
Yeah.
It's a bird that.
No, it's up there.
That's a bird.
Is it? I just saw movement. Goodness me. Did you see that? Nick the nut. Yeah, it was definitely a bird. Yeah, it's somewhere. But yeah, the way it picked the nut up. Yeah, it's coming down now. It is. Oh, it's just... I can see it, yeah. It's going up the tree again. It's another squirrel. A robin just on the bark of the tree there.
Just the seeds and stuff. The bird's coming down.
That was a robin, that. Don't think I got it though. Yeah, there it is. Second robin I've seen. Taking lots of pictures as well.
Right, it's made it out to where they are.
Good, yeah. Okay. There's a little cat through there. Just about to see it moving the other. watching everything. It spotted me then. Oh, cute. I'd usually go out that way when I'm on my own, but we're just actually walking around the park. It looks autumnal, doesn't it? All the leaves. Just walk through the leaves. Quite deep. It's the ancient tree. See, I don't come in this far when I'm on my own, but Cliff's with me. It's ancient, isn't it? Look at it. Let's go around here. Pretty, aren't they? So we've just been walking around. I haven't seen any more squirrels or robins since before. But it's just a nice little stroll through the park. We do usually see squirrels on this part of the park. So we're still putting nuts down. The birds must be hungry though, because wherever we went, the birds were there getting the nuts as well. It's really, really quiet now. Just there. Let's go up the tree now. It's got one of the nuts.
Very shy.
Yeah. Just there on the branch eating. Right, you've got the squirrel there, and there's magpie, wood pigeon. Yeah, good. Birds are definitely hungry as well, aren't they?
Ridiculous trees, look.
Yeah.
Look down here, look. Took a few photos as well. Let's come again tomorrow. More food. Because it's not just the squirrels, the birds. It should be the seeds.
Yeah.
Peanuts as well.
Yeah, yeah. Poor little things. Yeah. Poor little things are hungry. He's happy anyway, he's got quite a bit, hasn't he? It's turned its back on the birds as if to say, you're not
It's
getting
staying
it.
there 'cause it knows the birds are after it.
Yeah.
So I'm coming out.
Mm. Shrew.
Yeah. They look like hamsters, but they've got like long tails. Oh, but it's very, very small.
I didn't see it. Oh well. Let's come back down. So cute. It's not shy, this one, is it? It's got some red squirrel in them on this one.
See what's up.
Mm. We finished all those nuts. So yeah, thanks Sonic for all those monkey nuts. The squirrels and the birds have appreciated them. He's panicking thinking the bird's gonna nick his nut. It's trusting anyway. Just watch it for hours. It's mooching. I've got no more nuts now, the whole bag's gone. It's cute that he trusts us. Because I've got even closer and it's not like it. Oops. He's hungry, isn't he? Right, I'll finish off here now anyway. I think this is the last squirrel that we're going to see. See ya. It's actually burying it, I think. I did say see ya, but it's come back down now. These people have gone past. I got no more food for ya. I'm going home then. It's watching you, getting those nuts. Cliff's just picked up some of the nuts that he chucked under one of the trees, at the side of one of the trees, towards it, and it watched him get them and then come back down. Hello. Proper little friendly one, this. Right, definitely going now because I can be here all night, all afternoon. What time is it? 20 to 4. Right, I'm going now. See ya.